I've come to wish you happy New Year and to encourage you to continue to play that statesman's role of making sure that River State is one. River State works together for the interest of every person. Here in the Tramalize, River State. Nigerians know you as somebody who will always stand for justice, equity, and fairness. You are paid for the price of standing for justice, and that was what how today, as everybody knows that if not because of what you stood for, you're one of the shining lights in the legal profession. New Year, and to encourage you to continue to play that statesman's role.
On a very serious note, we feel tremendously grateful first to God to have given you the vision and the passion for this state.
Chikonisi bombastic. Don't come to your head.
As will be rounded up, and to urge you not to relent in that fatherly prayer and support you've been giving to us. Because this is the time we need your support most. This is the time we need your prayers most. Because when your tenure is ending, like this, anything that happens, pray counsel. All other things may have been achieved. So we believe that with your prayer, with mommy's prayer, with the family's prayer, with other friends' prayers, that we finish talk. But however, happily, thank God that God has made it possible for us to see 2023.
Come whatever weather, rain or shine, whatever, rest assured that we shall stand with you day and night. Your fight is our fight. Your fight is a fight for Rivers people and for the future of generations to come. So we thank you for this honor.
We are now prepared for the politics and election of 2023. And to sound noticed, whether at the local level, whether at the national level, whether at the international level, that look, we are now set for the game. Do you understand me? Yes. We are now set for the